Hi, tonight I'm going to make a brand new recipe I've never made before. This is actually the Disney Buffalo Chicken Grilled Cheese Sandwich. And tonight I have all the ingredients here, but we're going to make it tonight on our Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle. It's by a new item by Pampered Chef. And so what I have already is I have the chicken that I made in the quick cooker, and I shredded this chicken with the salad choppers. That's going to be ready to go. I have already whipped cream cheese in here. I have a cup of that. I also have, let me see, 2/3 cup of cheddar cheese. And what I'll need to do is I'll need to shred some Monterey Jack cheese. And what I'm going to use is a microplane. And with the microplane, as you can see, the handle is adjustable by pushing on this part right here. So I'm going to take the microplane, I'm going to put the slider on the microplane, and then what I'm going to do is take the Monterey Jack cheese and I'm going to put it on the little spike things on this. Then I'm going to put this, it's kind of like in a hopper, and I'm going to quickly shred my cheese. It really doesn't take that long to shred it. Okay, I don't think I have quite a cup yet. Okay, I have some cheese that's kind of stuck in there, so what I'm going to do is take it out. I'll move it to the other side. I'll put the other one on here. I'll put this in, and then I'm going to put it back on the microplane. Might have a little too much. Put it back, and then I'm going to keep shredding. Might be easier if I'd use my right hand instead of my left hand. But I am shredding the mozzarella cheese. And these are very sharp, so you need to make sure that you use the hopper. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this and measure it. And it's not quite a cup now, but I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just use it like this because we don't want it too cheesy tonight. So I'm putting all of the ingredients into a batter bowl. And so what I'm going to do is I have all of my cheeses. I'm going to put in the shredded chicken, and then it also calls for hot buffalo sauce. Now I don't really like a lot of hot sauce, so what I'm doing is I'm using half a cup of mild buffalo hot sauce, and I'm going to put it in here. And then what I'm going to do, it does ask for to use a mixer, but what I'm going to do is just mix this all up. Okay, it's pretty well mixed up right now. It's pretty smooth. And all the ingredients are mixed up. And then I am ready to get the bread ready and then to start preheating my griddle and grill. Now, with the Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle, right now I have the griddle pans on, and what I need to do, in the book it says that for a grilled cheese sandwich that I need to put it on custom, so I have it on custom right now. I need to make sure that it is at 530 and I need to set it for 325. Now, what I'm going to do is lift this up, and I'm going to get the sandwiches themselves ready. As far as the sandwich, it asks for the sourdough bread. So the first thing it tells me to do is I'm supposed to spread the filling on part of the bread, but we also have to put mayonnaise on the other side. So what I'm going to do is use my scoop and spread, and I'm going to put mayonnaise on the side of these, and I'm going to set these on my grill. They asked to use this instead of butter, so I'm going ahead using my scoop and spread, spreading it all over the bottom. And it looks like I can only get 3 on there right now. And then I'm supposed to spread the chicken on here. And you are supposed to put provolone cheese on, but what I'm going to do instead of that is I'm going to go ahead and put American cheese on this instead. And I'm going to put some mayonnaise on the other piece. Set it on. What I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and you can see it's a nice golden grilled cheese sandwich. Turn this part over, and then this. We might need to have it cooked just a little bit more. But anyway, that is how we are making the grilled cheese sandwich on the griddle. And there we have the sandwiches finished and ready to go on the plate.